Where to find the best sites. Things to do while traveling. Howdy. Here you will find where to solve your questions about. Do hydrangeas need to be protected from the winter winds? These are the best resources we could find on the web. The most helpful site to learn about do hydrangeas need to be protected from the winter winds is forums.gardenweb.com. See the page titled Zone 6 Hydrangea Winter Protecting? Hydrangea Forum. This is the link. Try also our second-ranked site www.doityourself.com, especially the page How to Winterize Hydrangeas doityourself.com. This is the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site homeguides.sfgate.com. The web page How to Protect Forever and Ever Hydrangea in Winter Home. Here's the link.